participant of this project is not going to be successful. Training and awareness. You're starting anything, you need to make the people aware of what you're doing. You put the strategy, share it with them. You put policies, make it publicly available. You put some procedures and train them how to do it. All these are required. So I hope that I didn't take more than what's been estimated for me. So I'd like to thank you for your attention and wait to receive a question from you.
From the main side and the female side as well. We open the floor for questions.
What is the difference between corporate governance and IT governance and information security? Because it seems to me they are in relationship with each other, and each function support the organization to survive. So this is not the first question. Second question, who will be responsible for the data organization?
Good. The relationship between the corporate governance and the IT governance and security governance, data governance, etc. Security governance and data governance can go. Data governance is partially contained within the IT governance, but it's not totally there. Security governance, there is some sort of controls within the domains of the IT governance where they address the security. IT governance is part of the corporate governance. Corporate governance is at the organizational level. Okay? IT governance is at the vertical for the IT. But the security governance, again, is something is not vertical, is horizontal as well. So you can say it has part within the IT governance, but it's not beneath it. There is some intersection.
But I think there is overlap because the information we care about the data classification, which is the data. The same thing with the data.
That's what I'm saying. There is intersection. There are some areas where the IT governance, for example, intersect data governance, intersect with information security governance. You can't say that things independent. It has some relation. That's what. For the data governance, you need to establish a unit. A unit that will be responsible for looking at the data as an asset, enforce the policies, audit the policies, and also enforce what is stated in the new project, so to avoid all the biggest mistakes. Any further questions?
What's the best way to do the data cleansing? Is there any tools?
Many ways. I mean, data cleansing depends on the nature of the data that you would like to cleanse. But there is a well-defined process, extract, transfer, log, and you can, you need to have the business side actually with you to the proper cleansing of the data. There's many ways. It depends on the data and the nature of the data itself. From the female side, the question? Sorry?
Any more questions? Thanks to one more thing that we have heard from him, that we are looking at policies and standards sometimes. We don't align these standards and policies. I have one more question about it. We mentioned the overlap between the three frameworks. We said maybe it's a good idea to have these components, shared components between frameworks. I wonder whether if there is any tool that helps the organization the overlap, the needed components, or do I need to start with myself?
I would say that each part is related to, for example, dental. All the processes, there is some tool that can do that component. Because it's around the data management. For the data architecture, we need to do, there is some tools, which is the device architecture tools. It it can capture those artifacts, but you need to do and collect by yourself. So you have to go and look at the documentation of that application and what the data they are using, etc. For the target, there is heads off to let's say assistive tools that you can use to assure the security of your data. But for that intersection, the purpose of showing that intersection is most of the organizations nowadays, they are doing cross application. And most of them, they do an anti-governance. And also, they might be doing something. So if you have done these two initiatives, you are missing one, and you can comply or fulfill the data governance. And I would say that even yesterday now, one of the projects that they are funding is enterprise application projects. Why yesterday as being that do they have, and they're having the interest to fund that project? Because they know that the enterprise application is going to play a big role for e-transformation. But there is no such a tool for data. Companies they claim, I don't believe that they will have the tools because data and action different.
Well, if there is no more questions, then please join me to thanks Mr. Bender.